So I think this video may cause a stir. I don't know. What does it mean to not be the judge nor the jury of others? Easiest thing to say, hardest thing to do. We often, or no, let me put it this way. Everybody talks about everybody, even when we don't intend on it. We go somewhere to a get together, we talk about it. We have a conversation with somebody, we talk about it to the next person. So, and it seems like if we don't talk about it, what are we going to talk about? So this is how I understand it. We're going to talk about people, we're going to talk about things because we're in the human form. But can we be gentle and kind? Can we refrain from judging? Can we refrain from thinking we know what they should not do, should or should not say, should or should not wear, etc., etc. We really have to come to a place of open-heartedness that we may talk about somebody, but really have that understanding behind all of that. The understanding that the truth is no one knows how anybody should be. No one knows what anybody should or should not do. It's only each person knows for themselves. We can't dictate that to others. So if we can't dictate that to others, then what are we measuring them by? Which measuring stick that we are using to judge their behavior? We should have no measuring stick. Now, having said that, it's like, seriously, if you don't have a measuring stick, then people will do all kinds of crazy things in the world. That's true too. So it's a balance, right? It's a balance, and it always comes down to what is your heartfelt intention? Is your intention to show somebody down? Is the intention to put somebody in a bad light? Is your intention to make someone feel small so you look bigger? So it's about the intention. If you're just kind of nonchalantly just having a conversation because you're a human being, you have something to say, this is how you process your experiences, that's a different story. But if the intention is, look at their behavior, aren't they so horrible? And because look at me, am I not so perfect? So is that the intention? If that's the intention, that's where the problems come, because it's a cycle. Once we start, we get something out of it. We get that false sense of self, and we continue, and then we create karma. What goes around comes around, etc., etc. Our other experiences begin to reflect what our inner intentions are. So it doesn't matter what you say about people, but in your heart of hearts, what do you really truly think about people? Can you let go of judgment? Can you allow people to be? Letting go of judgment does not mean we concur or we like or we agree. It just means we're not in a place to judge anybody. We're not the judge nor the jury of anybody. We can only be in charge of our own actions, our own thoughts, and our own life. And we should stick to that. We're going to not always follow that, but it's something to think about. We have no clue on how somebody should be, what they should do, what somebody should do. We barely can figure out our own life. How can we figure out another's? So, food for thought. And if you're watching this before my course begins, then click the link below this video to join my course, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom, July 19th and 26th. Click the link, you'll get the details.